Grilled chicken is an all-time favorite at our house. Very simple and very few ingredients makes a delicious roast chicken. First, take very little salt and rub it all over. I've taken 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste for 1 chicken. I'm going to grill 2, so I've put the ingredients in 2 separate plates just to make it easier to understand. Now apply the ginger garlic paste all over the chicken, inside and out. You can cut off the extra skin. With the lemon, dip into the chili powder and the salt and the remaining ginger garlic paste and rub all over while pressing the lemon so the juice is extracted. Use up all the chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder, so it's not as spicy, but it would give it a nice red color to the chicken. Not a deep red, but a nice roasted look. Still have the other half. Use it all. Do the same with the next. Rub a little salt. And the ginger garlic paste. marinate for half an hour to 1 hour. If you like to prepare it, you can leave it in the fridge overnight. It's always good to marinate in a glass, ceramic or a steel utensil. Time to bake the chicken. I'm transferring one to another dish so it doesn't get too crowded. You need to bake it for an hour and a half. And covered with foil for the first 45 minutes. No need to bring it to room temperature if it has been sitting in the fridge. Put the chicken in the bottom rack. The chicken can also be baked on the stove top using a dish like this, a non-stick which has a heavy lid. You would need to grease it a little bit so that the chicken doesn't stick to the bottom, or it would ruin the presentation of the chicken or the taste. And cook it on slow flame like you would in the oven. Make some roast potatoes to go along with the roast chicken. Cut the potatoes into wedges. You can make them thin or leave it fat if you like. They're going to be garlic potatoes. I've peeled one head of garlic and I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of pepper, some salt, and I'm going to blitz it to a coarse paste. I added a little water. Mix this later with the potatoes. You can add some herbs if you like to this: parsley, thyme, oregano. I'm adding some thyme, taking it in my hand so it can be crushed lightly to bring out the flavors. Adding it directly to the potatoes because it's going to be tossed with the garlic sauce in any case. Add the garlic sauce as you wish. If you need to add all of it or just some. I'm going to add all because everybody loves garlic here. They might be too garlicky for the taste of some, so you can adjust accordingly. Halfway through baking the chicken, you can prepare the potatoes. and put it in the oven for roasting. After 45 minutes, check the chicken. And you can remove the foil. It's released some juices which you may use to baste the chicken. Seems more juices in this. Put it back in the oven for another 45 minutes without the foil open. Keep basting the chicken from time to time and roast till the juices dry up and oil releases from the chicken. It's 2 hours, but there's still some liquid in the chicken, so it needs to continue roasting. This is almost dry, but will still release some oil. I guess another 10 to 15 minutes more. Roast chicken and the roasted garlic potatoes are ready. This got more browned than this, but both are ready. You can pierce and see there should not be juices. It's tender, can even be separated with just a fork. It's that tender. And juicy. Happy eating.